How to pay Progressive Insurance. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To pay for your Progressive Insurance, you can launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for www.progressive.com. Now in here, firstly, you will have to log in into your Progressive Insurance account. Use the credential and log in into your account, through which you can check out help and support if you need additional help regarding the payment of your Progressive Insurance. For this, you can tap on Resources and tap on the Chat Now button, or select on Contact Us that is next to it. In here, you can select the option of Chat Now, where you can chat with an agent by tapping on Start Chat. If not, select on Call 24/7. Then you can talk with the agent regarding the process and get answers to your inquiry. If not, the alternative method is to send an email. For that, click on Send Email. Then you will have to select a topic, after which you will have to fill out the field regarding your personal information and your residential details. At the bottom, you will see a dialog box where you can add your inquiry regarding the payment for your Progressive Insurance. If you do not need any of the assistance, you can just log in into your Progressive Insurance account. By entering the credential for it, you will see interface like this. Now regarding your auto policy payment, you will get a notification, from which you can just select on Billing Payments. Once you tap on it, you can even select a payment method. Progressive will support credit card, debit card, electronic fund transfer, that is your PayPal, Apple Pay. Just tap on the payment method and select on Make a Payment. Enter the required details and you'll be able to pay for your Progressive Insurance without a hassle. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.